everyone. I'm going to go through the assignment for you today. So what we're going to do is you're going to scan the QR code at the top, and it's going to bring you to these questions about reflections. I'm going to remind you of the rules of reflections before you get too far in. So if I reflect across the x-axis, I have my x and my y, so my original coordinates. I'm going to change the sign of the y. The x stays the same, and I change the sign. So if it was positive, it's negative. If it was negative, it's positive. If I reflect across the y-axis, I'm going to have my original coordinates, and I'm going to change the x coordinate. So if it was negative, now it's positive. If it was positive, now it's negative. All right? So I need to find out which transformation best represents a reflection. So I'm going to start with A. So I'm looking at -1, 1, 2, 3. +1, 1, 2, 3. If I look at A, I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, so -3, +2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I count that wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4. I did, I counted that wrong. 4, 2. Okay, so this is a great example of reflecting across the y-axis. This one, M would be an example of a reflection, but N would not. None of these are a great example of a reflection because it's like a translation. It's slid because they didn't flip the shape over. For this one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And for this one, you have 1, -4. So this one's more of a rotation as well because you've reversed the signs. All right, so you're going to answer these questions, and then you're going to write down what your score was, and then we can also check it in the Google Doc. All right, so then you're going to get a escape room, and it's going to bring you to these types of puzzles. And I just kind of want to remind you of how to read your points. So you start at the center, and it's going to be 1, 2, and then because I don't go up, it's 0. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3. All right, so you want to make sure that when you're plotting your points that you count your X and then your Y. And then in this particular assignment, it needs to be all caps, no spaces. All right, you need to make sure you're writing down your codes as you go. So that's really important. And then the last piece of your assignment is going to be graphing the points. So it's going to give you the coordinates. So -8, 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to actually just put the letter there. So A. And then let me find a hard one. K is always really hard for kids. So 0, I'm going to use blue. No, I'll use blue. So 0, I don't go anywhere. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So K is actually going to be right there. So Miss Bessinger is going to be back tomorrow, and she can help you with this assignment. I'm tutoring on Thursday, and I will be glad to help you with the assignment, but it's really important that you turn it in today. Whether you're done or not, I need you to make sure that you turn it in so that it doesn't get lost, and we can make sure that you're getting everything submitted. I know that this is hard, and it's hard when the subs are different, and until we can kind of get everything straightened out, this is going to be kind of a learning curve for everybody. But be patient, and I'm just down the hallway, and I'll be glad to help you in the mornings or at lunch and on Thursday afternoons. All right, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.